Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 4 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 8 to the power x minus 1. So we have two powers with different bases. The first thing to do is to make the bases the same. So I'm going for a base of 2. So 4 becomes 2 squared, 8 becomes 2 cubed. And that's how our equation looks like now. The next thing is to apply this rule of exponents, which says a exponent x and all of that exponent y is equal to a exponent x times y. So in a case like this, we can multiply the two exponents. So our equation now looks like this. 2 exponent 2x plus 4 equals 2 exponent 3x minus 3. And we know that if the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. So if a to the power x equals a to the power y, then x equals y. So I can write this as 2x plus 4 equals 3x minus 3. The next step is to solve this equation for x. So we group like terms. I have 2x minus 3x equals minus 3 minus 4. Minus x equals minus 7. Therefore, x equals 7. So that's how you solve a question like this. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.